See here. Saying obtain the zeros of this polynomial if two of zeros are this one. Right? Two roots is given. Two roots is given. Before also I told you, like polynomial in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Yes or no? If it is this one, we say this will give the number of roots. Number of roots. Means here I told roots will be alpha and
beta.
True? But what is the number here? 4. Number is here 4. Means here you will get how many roots?
5. 4.
What is the degree here? 4. Correct. Means alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Correct. If power is 4, we will get the 4 roots here. In that 2 is given. 2 is given which one? Root over 5 by 3 and minus root over 5 by 3. 2 we should find. 2 we should find. Tell it okay? Achha, next thing. Think in this question alpha is equal to get 3 and beta is equal to get 4. Think something. Like you get something like right now. Then how to form the roots? Means this is actually value of x. This is actually value of x. Means x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. Correct. We bring this one this side and say x minus 3 and x minus 4. Like this one you do? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is our basic like what we will learn in the degree 2 or in the polynomial. Yes no? But here we have 4, so process will be same only. Process will be same. Means x is equal to given 5 by 3 and x is equal to given minus root over 5 by 3. Correct? Now means x minus root over 5 by 3 and x plus this side minus this side plus root over 5 by 3. Getting or not? Actually these two are the roots of this polynomial. Correct? First we should multiply this. Multiply means this is assume A, this is B, this is A, this is B. So A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B means A square minus
B square.
This you know from formula. Now apply it. Means x square minus 5 by 3 whole square. A square minus B square is equal to how much you get? X square minus 5 by 3. True? Means this is the factor of this polynomial. This is the factor of this polynomial. Whatever we get, now divide it. X square minus 5 by 3. Here 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So just divide. Correct? Our first work to cancel first term to first term. Cancel first term to first term. So here is 3, here is x square. Can I write 3x square. X square into x square to the power 4. Yes, no? So how much become? 3x square. Then see 5 by 3. I am doing rough work here. 5 by 3 into 3x square. So 3 to 3 cancel. What remain? 5x square. First see it, then copy. 5x square. So a square term is here, right? So I write here plus 5x square. Now change the sign. Minus. Correct? This get cancelled. See, minus 2 and minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5. Minus 7x square. Then this term copy. 6x cube minus 10x minus 5. True? Tell you no problem. Next. Again first term to first term. First term to first term. 6 is there. That to plus 6. So write plus 6. X cube x square. How much difference? 1. How much difference in their degree? 1. So 6 x. True? So 6x into x square. 6x
square.
cube.
Yes, sir.
6x cube. Next. 5 by 3 into 6x. Correct. Do it. 5 by 3 into 6x. Correct. So 3 2 ja 6 is equal to 10x.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So 10x where is right here?
Yes, sir.
And that to plus. One thing is being wrong. This is minus, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is.
Minus.
So this into this minus 5x, right? So this become plus.
Yes.
So this is 3. That to plus 3. Remaining thing is okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now plus minus minus 10x. True?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Then this sign will change to plus 2,
Minus.
minus 2.
Plus.
This also get cancelled
Yes, sir.
and this also get cancelled. Correct? What remain? 3x square minus
5.
5. Correct? Again we should cancel first term to
First term.
first term. X square but 3 is not there. We should just remove it 3.
3.
And this is plus 3.
Yes, sir. Plus
So we
3.
should use plus
Plus
3.
3.
3. Multiply 3x
3x
square.
square.
Now minus 5 by 3 into 3. See? Minus 5 by 3 into 3. Cancel.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus 5.
Yes, sir.
So right here minus 5.
Okay.
Here sign is plus. Plus 2.
Minus.
Minus.
Minus 2.
Plus.
Plus.
Plus. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Correct. And see, before only you know, these two are the factors or roots of this. So 100% if you divide, we will get remainder 0 only. 100% you will get 0. If you are not getting 0, means you have did something wrong. Correct? Acha. So 2 factor we get from here. Now we should factorize this. We should factorize
This.
this. Factorize it. 3x square plus 6x plus 3. True? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja
9.
3 and 3. If it is a product factorization, so right here 3x square plus 3x plus 3x and plus
3.
3. Take 3x out, x plus 1. Here also 3 out, x plus
1.
1. Correct? Now x plus 1 common, 3x plus
3.
3. Yes or no? Means equal to 0. Means x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x plus 3 is equal to
0.
0. X is equal to minus 1. 3x is equal to minus 3. 3x is equal to
Minus 3.
x is equal to minus 3 by 3 is equal to
1.
minus 1. Minus na?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So other two roots, how much we get? Minus 1 and
Minus, sir.
minus 1. Correct. So what will we write?
Into
5 by 3, comma 5 by 3, comma minus 1, comma
minus 1.
minus 1. Understood?
Sir.
Hmm? Understood?
Yes, sir.
See, same question, root degrees 4, so zeros will be 4. Correct na? And 2 zeros are given. So now we get to know it will be x minus root 2 and x plus root 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus
B square.
means x square minus 2. X square minus
2.
2. Get or not? Root 2 into root 2. 2. You know or not? This
Two.
one you know or not?
Hmm.
This thing I taught you before, na? Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. I told root a into root a is equal to a,
Yes, sir.
or root over a square is also a. Yes or no? So root 2 into root 2 is
2.
2, or root 2 square is also
Root
2 only.
2.
Correct. These all things also you copy if you not remember. So x square minus 2 right here divided with 2x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 3 minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Yes? Now cancel it. First term to first term, x to the power 2
2.
and 2 also. So 2x to the power 4, then plus into minus,
Minus.
minus 4x, right? 4x square. 4x
Square.
is right here or here?
There, sir.
Right. 4x
Square.
square. Minus y, here plus,
Plus.
here minus. So plus into minus is
Minus.
minus, right? Now change the sign. Plus 2,
Minus.
minus 2,
Plus.
plus. This get cancelled. What remain here?
1.
Plus x square. Because minus 3 plus x. Minus 3
Plus
plus x. Okay. Now here, copy. This also copy. Now we should cancel first term to first term. Minus 3x to the power 3. Minus
3x to the power.
First minus is there, so put directly minus. 3 is there, so 3.
3.
How much is the difference in the degree?
1.
1. So
X.
x. Also to speak, maybe wrong, doesn't matter. Try to speak. Now multiply. So minus 3x to the power 3. Minus 3x to the power
3.
3. And minus into minus
Plus.
plus 3 to ja 6. Here, right?
Yes, sir.
6x. Now change the sign plus.
Minus.
This is plus, so minus. This also cancel. This also
Cancel.
cancel. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Now plus x
Same,
square minus
2.
2. I think same, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, do plus 1 plus
1.
1. So x square minus 2 minus plus we get
0.
0. Now this one is to factorize. 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Correct. How you can break this? 2x square minus 2x minus 1 x plus 1.
1.
2x out, x minus 1 minus x outside minus inside sign will
1.
change.
Minus.
Minus into minus
Plus.
plus. So if outside it again minus, inside sign will change.
Change आगोता. Minus.
If you taking outside minus, inside sign will change.
Yes, sir.
Now these two are same, so x minus 1 out, 2x minus 1, right, equal to 0.
0. 0. 0.
So x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 1 is also equal to 0. X is equal to plus 1,
X is 0.
2x is equal to 1, x is equal to
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Correct. So finally what we get? Roots of 2x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 3 plus 3x square minus 3x square, right? Plus 6x minus 2 is equal to, how many roots we get?
Root 2.
Root 2 comma
Minus root 2.
comma
Comma plus
1 comma
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Understood?
Sir.
See here, on dividing this by a polynomial g of x, dividing this by a polynomial g of x, try to understand first. We should divide by g of x,
Sir.
yes na? And given here x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, right? The quotient and remainder, quotient we are getting x minus 2 and remainder we are getting minus 2x plus 4, correct na? Then we should find g of x. This is the question.
Yes.
Understood or not? Assume this is f of x. Assume this is.
F of x.
Now we know f of x is equal to, and this is q of x, this is r of x. This whole thing you know, right? So f of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Yes na? Right? This is equal to this into this plus this. This you know from before.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now put all the values. Put
All the values.
so f of x is how much? Speak from here.
X is cube
X cube
minus
minus
3x square
Huh?
plus x plus 2.
plus 2 is equal to g of x we don't know. G of x we don't know. Q of x we know how much?
X minus 2.
x minus 2 plus r of x also you know minus 2x plus 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Achha. Just this thing only you should simplify. Correct. First remove this plus sign here, plus thing. Bring this side to this side. So this side plus, this side
Minus.
minus. Wait. X cube minus 3x to the power 2 plus x plus 2 minus 2x plus 4. Correct, sir? Is equal to g of x into x minus 2. Yes or no? Now open this bracket. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus into minus
Plus.
Plus.
plus 2x minus into plus.
Minus 4.
So
Yes, sir.
now x cube minus 3x square x plus 2x is 3x.
Yes, sir.
This 2
3x.
3x and 2 plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2
2.
is equal to g of x into x minus 2. G of x into x minus
Minus 2.
2. Now this side multiplication. G of x into, right? I want to bring this side. So this side
This.
division.
Sir.
This side multiplication. This side division. So sir, write here. G of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus minus 2, right? By x minus 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus
2.
2. Now this becomes simple division. Simple
Division.
division. So write 2 the division here. X minus 2 into, sorry, divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Correct? First term to first term, x square, x cube minus 2x square. True na?
Yes, sir.
Minus plus.
Yes.
Cancel. This become how much? Plus 3 minus 2. So minus 3 plus 2, how much? Minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Just we take it down. Now x square and x. First minus x, right now?
Yes, sir.
Minus x square minus 2x or plus 2x.
Plus
Minus into minus
plus
Plus.
plus minus. This get cancelled. Plus x plus
x
minus
2.
2 plus 1
Yes, sir.
x minus 2 is equal to
0.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So x square minus x plus
1.
1. Correct? Means if we cancel this to this, how much you get here?
X square
X
minus
square minus x
x plus 1.
plus 1 means g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1.
1.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
In exam you should show this also. If you not say, teacher will not give marks. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So you have to do this. Understood or not?
Yes,
sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
So copy it.